Thank you so much. You're so friendly. I'm football, so game is there.
From my side, you take
No. You enjoy. No problem. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Kublai Shibon.
दिल दे दिया है जान तुम्हें
जिंदगी
देंगे
नहीं है
दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम ये फुटबॉल खेलेगा मारेगा गोल अपन हो जाएगा ढोल साला इसका फुटबॉल का देखना जोर
Yes.
जिंदगी में होगा और बंटे तू भी देख ले अपना अफ्रीकन साथी है चल बाबा वो वायरल कर दे और मारेगा पोस्ट में टोस्ट पर चा
Your son?
इन जोहान्सबर्ग my son
South
My
Africa.
son.
Yeah, that is the city.
which your city
My city is Sudan, Africa.
oh Sudan
Yeah, South
Very-
Africa is different.
very good
Yeah. Your
I'm
name?
from Shillong.
Shillong.
I'm YouTuber. I'm from
You look
Shillong.
so nice. You look like musician.
Yeah, I'm musician.
Wow.
Yeah,
sing for me. Who is your favorite Khasi singer? Your favorite Khasi singer? Your favorite Khasi musician? Who is your favorite musician?
50 Cent.
50 Cent. Oh,
This
big
is
love.
my singer.
50 Cent.
50 Cent.
Okay. Okay, brother. Nice to meet you.
And don't think me I'm bad person.
No. If you are bad, I am
Look at
definitely
my
moving. I'm
And
standing
follow
with
my
you.
flight. You have to drink little bit.
No
You can
problem.
Come. Mapi Khasi. Hoy, mangali Khasi.
We found 50 Cent.
Punya Khasi.
50
Ka
Cent
language. This is different language.
Ah.
Now I speak English. Mga keren mentah Khasi. Oh, hoy. Hoy. This is one of the best. East or West, Shillong is the best.
Yes.
Blessing of Jesus Christ.
And
Nothing.
East or West, Shillong is the best, right? And that is why I'm here in Shillong.
Queen of Northeast.
Yeah.
Blessing of God. I'll
It's-
treat you. Money does not problem. I've
This
got
is-
lots of money.
He says, sing. Which
You are
video
from
went
Sudan. My
viral?
son also in Johannesburg.
Wow. He has a son in Africa. Yeah.
Hey, takros te lakal homa, honda
Yo.
to chuch chiti, hona to pai homa khala homa ye. Oh, money.
Which video of him went viral?
You have to follow my video.
Okay. Where is taking us?
No, not like that. Now I'll play the beat there.
Where we are going?
Yeah, this is the restaurant. This is my brother restaurant.
Your brother restaurant.
Yeah, no need to worry. What you do? I'll offer man. Money does not concern man. Takros te likhina ma hai. What do you want to sit? You sit here. I'll bring for you.
We have to go.
What do you-
No problem. Next time we'll come.
No.
We are rushing now.
Okay, now you happy here.
Next time. Next time, brother.
No.
I know the place. I'll
I'll
come.
pay the money, man.
Don't worry. You are so friendly. Next time I'll come. Okay.
But you have to drink little bit. When you
No
go,
drinking.
my son also in
No
Johannesburg,
drinking.
man.
Today I have game. I have football game. Football. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're so friendly. I'm football, so game is there.
From my side, you take
No. You enjoy. No problem. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kublai Shibon.
दिल दे दिया है जान तुम्हें
जिंदगी
देंगे
नहीं है
दगा नहीं करेंगे सनम ये फुटबॉल खेलेगा मारेगा गोल अपन हो जाएगा ढोल साला इसका फुटबॉल का देखना जोर
Yes.
जिंदगी में होगा और बंटे तू भी देख ले अपना अफ्रीकन साथी है चल बाबा वो वायरल कर दे और मारेगा पोस्ट में टोस्ट पर चा
Yo, thank you.
Really I'll remember you till I die.
Yes, you will find this video in
You
YouTube,
love me
okay?
and you cooperate with me, no?
Yes.
Therefore I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. Have a good day, okay?
can have.
No. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Okay? I will consider you treated me already done. Bye.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, very friendly. He wanted to treat us. Yeah, he wanted me to drink. Yeah, he wanted me to drink, so I had to tell him that I have football game. So this is the first encounter of Shillong. Shillong friendly hospitality people. Is it real that he has a son in South Africa? But here, which video you said went viral?
There is one
Singing only.
rapping.
Okay, rapping. In Hindi or Khasi?
English.
English?
Hindi.
Hindi, okay. Oh yeah, let's take the chicken from here, guys. We are taking chicken. So this is local market, guys. Here you find real chicken. This is real chicken. You find it here. Sardar. Hey Raja. Hello Sardar, Raja. Kitna chicken? Enter? How much? Enter chicken.
How much?
300 kilo. 301 kilo.
Yes, सरदार है हम लोग.
Sardar, right?
300 किलो. चैनल का नाम?
Me local Sardar.
क्या नाम चैनल का दोस्त?
Gabs, Gabs. हाँ, Gabs TV. Next time I am coming here, Sardar, okay? Next time I am coming, Sardar shop, okay? Okay, let's go. Sardar. So this is the local chicken, guys, and I mean the real chicken here. The prices is different compared to. For me, I call the other one. This is like real. So the other one I call it fake chicken. So that is why it's little bit costly, guys. Yeah, it's little.
brother.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are
Fine. Your name?
you? Shy.
Shai.
You're from?
Wow, I'm from Africa.
Hello, welcome
Hello.
to Shillong.
Yeah, brothers. How are you all?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah,
What's the name of the channel?
Gabs.
Gabs. I'm gonna
Check.
search now.
Come this side. Yeah.
Wait, I will check. I just lost my internet. So I
Yeah. You're meeting some friends, okay? We are making friends in Shillong.
subscribe him.
Yeah.
One second. Yeah, what's the name?
Gabs.
The network is slow over there. No one knew you, and now everyone.
Yeah. So because of my reaction video, guys, I got few people who already recognize me. Yeah. So this time we are exploring Shillong. We'll be making amazing content, making vlogs, guys, and we'll be trying the local food. Yeah. Just expect to see amazing video this time. So now we are out from the market, guys. We are now going back home, and this is how we do the local thing. Local way with my brother here.
Actually carry it.
Yeah, that is so nice. Actually, it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
So comfortable also. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.